Hello, this video will show you how to use Read Theory. You're going to go to readtheory.org, type that in your address bar, then go to Login, use your username and password that your teacher gave you. If you don't know it, send your teacher a text. Once you log in, you'll see this, Let the Learning Begin. It's going to give you a quick little kind of benchmark to see what your reading level is. It's going to give you 8 questions to test where you're at. This is a program that meets you where you're at. So it's nothing to stress about. It's important that the student takes these 8 questions and does them by themselves, doesn't get any help from older siblings or from parents, because all that's going to do is make the passages harder for them and make them ones that they won't be ready for. So complete these 8 questions in one sitting. It'll take about 20 minutes. Let's see, it says leaving without finishing the pretest will result in you having to start over from the beginning. So do your best to finish it or just take it at a later time. So whenever you're ready, hit I'm ready. You'll see a passage similar to this. You're going to read the passage and then put the answer you think is best, hit submit. Once you've finished your 8 questions to the best of your ability, you'll see this screen that says pretest complete. Enter program, and now in your Google Classroom, it says to complete 1 Read Theory passage a day. This is what we mean. So come to readtheory.org. I should say once you've done the pretest, that can count as your 1 daily task. But then the next day, you'll come on to readtheory.org, log in, you can bookmark. By the way, to bookmark, you just want to, it won't let me, never mind. Hit this little star right here and add it to your bookmark tab. Move or save your password. You're going to read this. It'll put you at the grade level that you're on, and wherever you are is great. We just want to see that gradually improve over time, and it will if you continue to read these stories. We've seen the data shows that this is a very good program to see gradual increase in reading level. And we like this program because it's set up very similar to what the state assessments are. So the daily Read Theory passage means you just log on, you read 1 passage, and you answer the question. So this 1 passage has 6 questions. I'm going to log on, I'm going to read the passage, I'm going to answer my 6 questions, and then I'm done with my Read Theory assignment for the day. It's as easy as that. If you have any questions, let your teacher know.